Hey there, I was just sent this bird feeder from the brand to share with you guys. This is going to take care of all the birds this winter and the squirrels. Let's take a closer look. Here's a close look at the finish of the pole. This one is actually a bronze color and it does have texture to it here, as you can see. There are multiple ways to feed your feathered friends. We have this bowl here for water. We have a mesh bowl here for seed. We have the suet feeder. It also comes with 2 tube feeders. And this is considered a peanut feeder, but the holes are pretty small. I'm not sure if peanuts are going to actually fit through there or not, unless they're small pieces. In regards to the tubes themselves, they are plastic, and the top lifts off, and then they can be filled. I do like that down here, it's got that cone shape to push the seed out. Everything here is plastic. This is the same type metal that's on the pole itself. It does feel a little bit on the thinner side, so I would say maybe a medium weight. I may find at some point that the feeders have to be replaced with my own feeders because I don't know how long these are going to hold up in weather. Putting this together was really easy. It didn't take hardly any time at all. The biggest thing that took a couple extra minutes was this squirrel baffle, and that's because you had to put these screws and the wing nuts in each part. I did find that getting it to bend into the proper position to all screw together was a little challenging, but once I figured it out, I was good to go. So once it pulls together, it is nice and sturdy, and I do need to get mine into the ground just a little bit more to balance it out a little bit and keep it from leaning. I really like that it has all these bird feeding options because, as you can see, I have everything that came with it hanging up, and I still have a couple extra hooks. One that currently has another bird feeder on it, and the other one would be great for a hummingbird feeder in the summer. With all of these different feeding options, it allows for not only multiple birds, but also means I'm not going to have to fill everything up every time I turn around because there's other places where they can get food from. If you are looking for a new bird feeding pole that's going to take care of multiple varieties of birds, not only feeding, but also giving them some water, then I hope this video helps you decide if this is a good product for you.